So this is how we have recovered the cone. Basically we have applied lead material on the top of this cone surface. Reason is that this melts down very fast, so it requires very low heat. Now if you go for a brazing or something, or a kind of oxyacetylene or something, then what happens, those cones are basically hardened. So the hardness of this cone we do not know if it is 60-30, whatever it is, right? So if we use the oxyacetylene procedure for the brazing, I mean for welding purpose, whatever the material you are going to put it on the top of this cone, the heat is going to change the property of this cone set. So that means this may become brittle, or because of that it may have a, I mean it will come under a different process, quenching or something like that, right? So the softening of the material may damage the cone. So now we are going to press this. The diameter, now you can see it's not going inside. Earlier it was going just by the hand, now it is not going inside. Now the purpose of putting this lead material, lead is very soft. Once you fix it up in the chassis or wherever you want to fix it up, the chassis is going to shear off this lead material. It is going to cut the material like a butter, but not like a butter, otherwise you will consider that it is going to be loose later on. No, once you tied the cone on the chassis, it is not going to move. But if if this moves, then you will have tough time with in handling. So reason behind repairing the cone instead of the chassis, because you can't change the chassis all the time, just in case if it happens all the time, so you can't change the chassis. No, it's a very tedious job. So it's better to change the cones or work on the cone set and do the processing on the cone rather than the chassis.